Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to freeze location on Snapchat. Firstly, launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and tap your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner of settings to open it. Now scroll down to the privacy control section and select See My Location. Toggle Ghost Mode on, then choose how long you want to keep your location hidden, for 3 hours, 24 hours or until turned off. Once Ghost Mode is enabled, your location will no longer be visible to anyone on the Snap Map, giving you full control over your privacy until you decide to turn it off again. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.